It begins with the Earth's golden gift, harvested at perfect ripeness. From distant tropical lands, the darkest chocolate essence arrives. Pure sweetness, refined to absolute perfection through industrial precision. The secret flavor essence carefully extracted through patient precision. All precious ingredients unite under one massive roof, ready for transformation. At dawn, the supply chain awakens, delivering tons of ingredients daily.
Convoy lead, proceed to Bay 12 for unloading. Copy that, backing into Bay 12.
Clear the path, flour coming through! Scan complete, logging it! Pallet secured.
Precision logistics move thousands of tons with military efficiency.
Robotic systems track every kilogram with digital precision.
Every ingredient must pass rigorous quality standards before production. The heartbeat of production begins, moving tons per hour. Beyond the gates lies a fortress of flavor engineering. Sterility is not optional, it is the foundation of every batch. Welcome to the Cathedral of Modern Biscuit Manufacturing. Precision begins where raw materials meet engineered force. Exact ratios measured to the gram, loaded with mechanical certainty. Every surface purged, every pipeline sterilized before the next cycle begins. Invisible forces extract impurities before they ever reach the dough. Only the finest particles pass, ensuring uniform texture in every bite. Zero tolerance for contamination, verified at every critical checkpoint. The recipe awakens, ingredients merging into a single cohesive mass. Mechanical force transforms powder and liquid into living dough. Patience engineered into minutes, allowing structure to stabilize. Pressure and precision flatten chaos into perfect uniformity. Every ridge and groove stamped with mechanical perfection. Fire and time transform raw dough into structured crispness. Chemistry and heat forge the signature crunch within minutes. Controlled cooling locks structure before the filling arrives. The sweet heart of the biscuit, blended to exact rheological standards. Every gram measured, every dollop placed with robotic certainty. Two halves become one, sealed by calibrated force. Artificial intelligence inspects thousands per minute without fatigue. Robotic precision stacks perfection without hesitation. Packaging begins the moment structure meets protective film. Individual units unite into shippable form with mechanical efficiency. Tons of product organized into stable, transport-ready formations. Stability engineered through tension, ready for global transit. Human expertise validates what machines measure, ensuring flawless standards. Sample inspected, defect confirmed, rejecting. Every package weighed, measured, and certified before release. Surface geometry mapped to microns, guaranteeing signature texture. Moisture locked at perfect levels, preserving crispness for months. Invisible threats eliminated through rigorous scientific validation. Human palate confirms what chemistry calculates, sealing the flavor promise. Time compressed into days, proving longevity before shipment. Quality verified, documentation sealed, product cleared for the world. Millions of units resting, ready to begin their global journey. Logistics orchestrated to move continents of product daily. Sealed and balanced, prepared for oceans and highways ahead.
All clear. Dispatch is confirmed.
Acknowledged. Handshake on it.
Human coordination completes what machines began, bridging factory to world.